Hello guys, welcome back to Chris Divine Hair Paya. In this video we are going to be bleaching a closure, and for the bleaching of the closure we are going to need the bleaching powder, the color cream, and a bowl which I don't have. I'm using the coconut shell, and a comb. We're also going to be needing a plastic here, which is not necessary because I'm going to be bleaching on this table, so I don't want the table to be stained or whatever. And that's the hair I'm going to be bleaching, the two closures. So we are going to put the bleaching powder in our bowl, and when using any bleaching powder, always make sure to follow the instructions. So with the brand I'm using, the powder supposed to be equal to the bleaching cream, that's to the color cream. So whatever quantity you are putting, whatever quantity the powder is, the cream, the color cream, supposed to be the same quantity too, in order to give you the best result that you want. Please, when bleaching your closure or your hair, don't use metal bowls, don't use metal or aluminum bowls, just use plastic. Plastic is the best. I think plastic is the best. So I'm using this coconut shell because right here I don't have a plastic bowl. I actually had, but I don't know where I've kept it, so I'm just improvising and using the coconut shell. So as you can see, the powder and the color cream is the same, the quantity is the same. Please mix very well, mix very well. Yes, it's very important to mix it very well before applying it to your hair so that you have even result. So I'm just going to split this hair into two. I'm actually using two closures, and these two closures I'll be splitting both into two because I need this for 4 weeks. So here we are into the bleaching proper. This one, the weeks are different, so I'm going to be bleaching these closures differently. The half closure I'm bleaching right now, it's an ombre shade wig. Yes, the down part of the wig is light gold, like honey color. And so for this wig, for this closure that I'll be using for that wig that has ombre color, I'll be bleaching just the knot and the bottom part of the closure so that it will fit with the weave or the mesh I'm going to be using. And this other full closure, I'm bleaching it all because that's how the person wants it to be. She wants everything, and also because the weave is like, it's not really blonde, but it's this honey color, like close to blonde. So I'm going to be bleaching this all, and later I will split it in the middle. Please, what I'm doing right here is not a proper, like the proper way of bleaching a closure. In the next closure I'm going to show you, this is how to bleach your closure. Please always do it part by part, portion it, always bleach it part by part. That's portion it. When you bleach one portion, you turn over and bleach another. You're going to see what I'll be doing here, because when you put the bleaching powder on top, it hasn't penetrated under. Like if we flip this over, you're going to discover there's no bleaching powder under. So bleach it section by section, and you have to be fast because this, especially this brand of bleaching powder, this brand is very rapid, like it works fast. If not, you're going to have different shades. So when bleaching, do it part by part. See, like I'm actually opening and you discover there is no bleaching powder there, and if we flip it over, you discover under, like right here, there is no bleaching powder. So when bleaching, don't just pour or mix everything, do it part by part in order to ensure that the bleaching powder touch every strand of the hair, so that every strand of the hair has the powder to bleach very well. Please, when bleaching your hair, bleach is a chemical. Don't comb it like you see me doing here. It's really not the best because some bleach are very wide and they can pull the hair out. So please, when bleaching, don't comb when bleaching. So after bleaching, you're going to give it some time, like 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the shade, like the color you want to achieve. Here I don't really want it too blonde, so I don't allow it for long. This has been here just for 7 minutes, the one I just removed. Yeah, this is actually 7 minutes, and see what we got. If I allow it for long, it's going to turn blonde, and I don't want it to be blonde. So once you've gotten the color or the shade you desire, you just take it off and wash it. This, I'm really being economical here with water because I'm actually doing this tutorial in the shop. Please, if you did learn something from this video, like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.